Hook midnight to 0:15. 85% of businesses will use AI by 2026. That's huge. AI is taking over. Get ready. It's time to adapt. Your competitors are already using AI. Don't get left behind. The future is now. Let's dive in. Set up 0:15 to 1 o'clock. AI is changing everything. From content creation to automation. Anthropic just delayed their AI model. Security concerns are real. But Google just made AI free forever. Gemma 4 is a game changer. These tools matter right now. They'll give you an edge. Let's explore the top AI trends and the tools you need to know. Get excited. Notion 1 to 230. Notion is an all-in-one workspace. It's super powerful. The most impressive feature? It's customizable. Imagine you need to organize projects. Instead of 5 hours, Notion does it in 30 minutes. It's a huge time saver. Price? Free or $4.99 a month. Who needs this? Entrepreneurs. It's a must-have. You'll be more productive and focused. Try Notion today. Jasper 2:30 to 4 o'clock. Jasper writes high-quality content in minutes, not hours. The most impressive feature? It's AI-powered. Imagine you need to write a blog post. Instead of 2 hours, Jasper does it in 10 minutes. It's a game changer. Price? $29 a month. Who needs this? Content creators. It's a time saver. You'll produce more content. And it'll be better. Try Jasper today. Chat 4 to 5:30. ChatGPT answers questions with human-like responses. The most impressive feature? It's conversational. Imagine you need to research a topic. Instead of 3 hours, ChatGPT does it in 15 minutes. It's a huge help. Price? Free trial. Who needs this? Anyone. It's a must-try. You'll learn more and faster. Try ChatGPT today. Zapier 5:30 to 6:30. Zapier automates tasks across 5,000 apps. The most impressive feature? It's automated. Imagine you need to send emails. Instead of 1 hour, Zapier does it in 5 minutes. It's a huge time saver. Price? $19.99 a month. Who needs this? Business owners. It's a must-have. You'll be more efficient and productive. Try Zapier today. Canva 6:30 to 7:30. Canva designs professional graphics in minutes, not hours. The most impressive feature? It's easy to use. Imagine you need to create a logo. Instead of 2 hours, Canva does it in 10 minutes. It's a game changer. Price? Free. Who needs this? Anyone. It's a must-try. You'll create more. And it'll be better. Try Canva today. Outro 7:30 to 8 o'clock. Which tool surprised you most? Comment below. Subscribe for daily AI